Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to do an unboxing video. And as you can see, I'm holding a box here, and this is Goodiebox, and this is my first time actually to receive this box. And this is a subscription box where you're gonna receive a box every month, and it's 169 kroner a month, and then you're gonna receive a box with different kinds of products. And I really like the idea of this because it seems like you're getting a surprise for yourself, a gift for yourself, because you don't know exactly what you're gonna get. You know, it's a surprise when you open the box and then it's there. And I really like the idea because also I don't really buy things that much, especially beauty products and all that. I got no idea at all. So this one, I like this because I get to try new things, new products, and it's 169 kroner, but you actually get more of the value that you paid. And what's good about this is I can cancel it anytime I want. I mean, there's no contract about it. If I want to cancel it next month, then I just cancel it. I just send an email to them and then it stops. Now let's open this one. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this one is showing. I forgot to cut it off. Okay, that's fine now. So, here we go. Oh, this is a very pretty box. There's the name, Goodiebox. And then the box, you can actually do this. I really like this one because I can see myself reusing this, you know? Maybe every month putting it up there, and it's a storage. There you go. Then here it comes saying, oh, there. And now let's open. No, it's already open, obviously. So here it comes. There's a plastic in there with the name, of course, Goodiebox. Let's open this. Oh, there is, how many products? I hope you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 products inside. So there's a card, and there's the information of all the products you can get. So first, it's the Evolve Beauty. Which one? Apply gently to cleanse face and neck. So it's like a serum or something. So this is the first product. How do you do that? It's blurry. So anyway, that's the first product, and it shows this one. This is a serum, and the sale price is 102 kroner. Imagine I paid 169 kroner and it's already 5 products, and this one is like 102 kroner. I haven't tried it ever. This is my first time gonna be using this one, so I'm happy. And there's also, I don't know how to pronounce this. This one, Goodiebox, I don't know, but that one, it looks like a mask. Yeah. So it shows I have to put it on my face 10 minutes and then remove this with a lukewarm water. It shows there. Let me open this one. Face mask. Exfoliating and moisturizing. So there's of course information there, but I don't have the time to see. Disco Skin. Oh, there. Let me open it for the first time. That actually smells really good, and you can see there's like a bit of a color in there. Well, Disco Skin, you know, I hope it's gonna work out. And I can see here the selling price is 199 kroner for this one. And there is, what is this? I cannot read that again. This one here. Oga, I don't know. So it shows that this is a natural highlighter. Natural highlighter, and the selling price is 111 kroner. So you can see the price there. This is the product. I really love this one, really. And then there comes Amica. This one is easy to read, Amica. There you go. And it's a bombshell blowout spray. And the selling price is 99 kroner. There you go. I don't really use things like this, but oh well, it's here, so we'll try it. And then here comes a lip extreme gloss. This I need because my lips dries out so much. I don't know, I got so dry lips, dry skin, so I really have to start taking care of them. Face, you know, skin and all that. So this is a lip gloss, and the selling price is 99 kroner. And yeah, I think that's it. I think it's worth the money because as you can see, you just do the math. This one is 102 kroner, this one is 199 kroner, and there's 111 kroner, and 99, and then 99. And I only paid 169 kroner for this month. And I actually like this a lot because I ordered this one thinking, I'm just gonna try it out maybe a month and then I'm just gonna cancel it, but I really like this. So I think I'm also gonna get for next month. So that's it for my first goodie box ever, and I love all the products. I have not tried them yet, but looking at this right now, I'm happy. So thank you very much for watching. Enjoy your day. Hi.